Morning, kings and queens. Welcome back. It's your boy Wheezy, and this morning we're just gonna do a simple morning routine, a garden check-in, show you what's going on the farm. But before we get into that, I just want to share some positive energy with you. I wish for you the patience to grow at your own pace. I wish for you forgiveness for your past mistakes. I wish for you confidence to conquer uncertainty and courage to step up and evolve. And most importantly, I wish for you gratitude for the people in your life. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Peace and love. Thought for the day. Every day may not be a good day, but there is something good in every day. Let me repeat. Every day may not be a good day, but there is something good in every day. So embrace the positive and learn from the challenges, as these obstacles will help you to make tomorrow a better day. Trust the process. Your sunny day is right around the corner. I want this over there.